Hello and welcome to our class today. Today we're going to talk about the difference between these two words, fun and funny. Now students often get confused with how to use these two words. For example, a student could say to me, "Yesterday I went shopping with my friend. It was so funny." And I'm thinking, why? What did you laugh at? Or another student could say, "I saw Mr. Bean on TV yesterday. It was so fun." And again, I'm thinking, is that really the right word that you want to use there? So what's the difference here between fun and funny? Well, let's look at the definition. The definition of fun is providing entertainment, amusement, or enjoyment. An example would be, "The party was really fun." "You should play the game. It's fun." So notice, fun is always associated with entertainment, enjoyment and pleasure. On the other hand, funny, and this is the key point, is always associated with something that makes you laugh. So key examples would be, "We went to a comedy show. It was really funny." "She told a really funny joke at dinner." So hopefully you can start to see the difference now. Fun is always something that's very enjoyable, entertaining. Funny is always associated with something which makes you laugh. Now let's look at some examples now of synonyms connected with both funny and fun. Let's see if we can connect the correct word with the correct category. So the first word, enjoyable. What do you think? Would that be fun or funny? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean laughter, does it? So enjoyable, we had a very enjoyable time. That would definitely be fun. Humorous, what do you think of when you hear the word humorous? Well, humour is associated with laughter, so definitely that would be under funny. Brian is very humorous, he's always telling jokes. Hilarious, have you heard that word before? Well, we're really going to a higher level here with hilarious. If something really makes you laugh, it can be described as hilarious. So again, we would be talking about something that's funny. Entertaining. Entertaining, well, that's quite an easy one. Entertainment comes under the fun category, so we definitely would put the word there. Witty, have you heard that word before? Witty. So someone who's witty uses words in a clever way, often to amuse you. So witty, well, that would definitely be in the fun category. Witty. Amusing. Well, amusing could include laughter, but usually, remember, amusement is associated with fun. So we're going to put amusing under the fun category. Pleasurable. Well, again, pleasurable, fun, funny, that would definitely come under fun. The holiday was very pleasurable. The evening was very pleasurable. And finally, hysterical. Have you heard that word before? Well, again, if something is hysterical, it's extremely funny. So again, taking it to that higher degree. So definitely that's under the funny category. Okay, good. Now let's move on to, we're going to look at 10 situations now, and we need to decide whether they would be classed as fun, funny, both, or neither. Now just note here that sometimes it's down to different opinions. There's not a right or wrong answer. Let's look at the first one. Watching a live stand-up comedy show. Okay, well, the clue is in the word comedy, so definitely it would be funny. Would it also be fun to go to a comedy show? Yeah, quite probably. So I think for this one, we definitely could put both. I think both words would be appropriate here. Now, number two, when someone slips and falls. Are you somebody that usually laughs when you see someone slip and fall? Well, again, it depends on the situation, doesn't it? What if somebody hurts themselves? That's not really something to laugh at. So, okay, what can we say here? I think this would be neither. But it could be funny. It could be funny if the person doesn't really hurt themselves. But we have to be careful. Riding a roller coaster. Well, we often ride a roller coaster at a fun fair. That's the clue. So that would definitely be a fun activity. Dad jokes. Now, what are dad jokes? Let me give you an example of a dad joke. Where do fruit go on vacation? Where do fruit go on vacation? The answer is they go to Paris, which kind of sounds like Paris. Okay, so a dad joke is a joke where you might go, oh, that's such a bad joke. Sometimes these jokes can also be described as corny jokes as well. Corny jokes. So, are they fun or funny? Well, let's put fun, because most people don't view them as funny, but they are quite fun. Baking a cake, well, that would be a fun activity. Yeah. Going out for dinner with friends, well, you might laugh, it might be funny, but usually we would describe that as being fun. Now, what about the next one? Skydiving. What would you say? Skydiving? Is it funny? Does it make you laugh? Probably not. Is it fun? Well, maybe some people might think of it as fun. Other people would say definitely not. So let's put two answers there again. Neither and fun for some people. Puns. What is a pun? Well, this joke here that we just talked about is an example of... Oh, sorry, let me just get my pen. Yeah, this is an example of a pun. A pun is like a play on words. So Paris sounds like Paris. So it's using a word in a clever way. That's a pun. What would you say? Fun? Funny? Yeah. Probably I would say fun. Sorry, both. Let's put both for that one. The next one, going shark cage diving. Oh, well, that's not very funny in my opinion, nor my idea of fun. I'm going to put neither for that one. And finally, riding in a hot air balloon. What do you think? Funny? Fun? Yeah, I think most people would view that as a fun activity, unless you are scared of heights. Good, so hopefully now you're getting more of an idea of the difference between fun and funny. Remember, a fun activity is very pleasurable, it's entertaining, it's enjoyable. Funny always involves laughter, so just remember that clear distinction. Thank you for attending the class today. Look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.